Ay, mingaw man. Jolly afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Alright. Kabalo ba ang tanan nga nung naakadiri karon sa Jollibee? How about all the kids? Kabalo na mga nung naamo diri sa Jollibee karon? Or basin dili na invited ba? Ay. Kabalo ba mga nung naamo diri karon sa Jollibee? How about the ate, kuya? Okay, so I'm going to ask one of the kids. So, kabalo kang ano nakakadiri sa Jollibee karon? Wala? Wala, absent siguro. Oh. Birthday ni? Princess Denise. Wow, very good. So, birthday ka ni Princess Denise. And now, can we all point out, pwede ba natutudloon kung aha nga to ang birthday celebrant? Pwede ba natutudloon? In 3, 2, 1, pwede ba point out? Alright, there you are, our birthday celebrant. So, birthday ni baby. Okay? In 3, 2, 1, happy birthday, baby Denise! Alright, since all of us already greeted, so can we all sing a happy birthday song to our dear celebrant?
Kanta mo, kanta!
Happy birthday to you! So we also have here our pretty and jolly assistant. We have here Ate Rona. Say hi naman to Ate Rona, mga kids. Say hi to Ate Rona. Alright. Party! Yay! So happy na ba ang talagang mga anak sa Jollibee karon? Happy na ba? Very good. Because in any time around, natin mapag-get prizes na rin sa inyong activity. So we have here our activity tray mats and crayons to be distributed by Ate Rona.